The only thing that maybe we would want maybe to see is the history we was going to make going forward. We all know one thing, that sports is one of its own that is able to bring us all together as a nation. I only want maybe to echo what the General has just said, that our sportsmen and women needs more of support to be able to enjoy and explore more of their talents. Remember that at this time, as we are heading to the Olympic Games in Paris, the only thing, and I'm requesting our sportsmen that they are going to be part and parcel of this team, that the only tribute we are going to give to our brother, our champion, our legend, Kiptum, is to make sure that when we go to Paris, every medal that we will be participating in, we make sure we get, in his honor, we bring those medals. To the family of Kiptum,